everyone.
It's me, Casey.
And Keegan. And you are watching the JKK Sisters. Today we're doing Muggle Slime review. Slime Shadies and Squishy Bunnii. This is her butter bear slime. So, open it.
Bear slime.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't feel, that's exactly why I did not want you to touch it. Guys, this does not, it smells like, what does this smell like? Like caramel with vanilla, and it is not sticky. I'm very surprised that none of these slimes are sticky because we had to ship these all the way back.
It's so cold.
It's so drippy and runny. It doesn't make good bubbles because it's so drippy. It is a butter slime. I love the color and the smell. Like, guys, you need to get this just to smell it and touch it and play with it and butterfy it. I think that's what it's called. It's kind of sticky, so I'm gonna smack it over here. So on to the next one. On to the next one. Shoulder next. Okay, this is such a. It's because there's so much slime in this. Look at that. Look. Don't even fit. Probably a 10 out of 10 because it's her famous one, butter slime. It smells so good, and you can pretty much still smell it as in all of our normal slimes. It's a butter slime! Let's take this off, okay? This is gonna be so satisfying. I'm realizing satisfying of the dumbest and weirdest things. So comment down below if you're satisfied with that. And appetizing, and I don't know. I know you're not supposed to eat slime, but all the other slimes that we own smell. What's it gonna turn?
Keegan.
Show them your hands. Right here. It turned like a light black, almost metallic gray color. I thought it was just
white.
Because it got all mixed in.
Oh.
I thought it was gonna just turn pitch gray. Guys, look at our tape. Oh, look. The sound though. But black slime usually stains your hands and the table. Now we're doing 3 a.m. butter, so let's take a sneak peek of opening this. I like these containers better. Guys, that's gonna be so you see, you don't want this slime, so I want to get it. I think Lee. I actually watched Karina Garcia's video of her making a slime at 3 a.m. It was not black though. It was yellow and she got it in her hair. This kind of smells like Twizzlers. And look, the actor is turning black because of the dark. Is it going to stay on the table like Muggle Slimes? If it doesn't, this is probably going to be my favorite.
God, I don't like it.
It's so sticky, guys. This is...
Oh, this one got it, right?
This is so hard to get out because it's so sticky at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
It more of this than there was for the Muggle slimes. Oh, there's a complete difference. This is like a gray and this is a pitch black. This one is not good at bubbles. Very sadly. Uh-oh, it's staying on the table. But it comes off. Oh. I know, I'm poking it very weird.
Oh, this is slushy.
This one's so bad.
Somebody want this one? No, you can't.
So sad, guys. You got. Oh my gosh! Look at it. Guys, it's a mixture of all the slimes. It's a mixture with foam beads. It's a mixture.
Okay. Oh!
Oh my god, that was so bad. Use more. Do you use like laundry detergent? Do you use like the activated we're using? Do you guys use borax?
We use the same. It's the same.
Guys, there's fishbowl beads. Fishbowl beads. It smells like orange dot, like orange crushed soda.
Orange crush.
It smells so good. It's not too good at poking because there's so much mixtures.
Okay. It's okay if you when you roll it here.
It takes the table. Poke it.
I can't do a bone
Here,
pop.
let me show you.
You're always getting on the table.
Oh, it smells so good.
Okay, now what are you? You can be tired. Sorry, guys.
So this is her slime chase out. We got here first because her slime always hello. And yeah, so we got a Stitch butter and the banana minion. So this actually does smell like bananas. Okay, let's open mine. It's a butter slime. Oh my gosh,
I wanted
this
to
is so
open mine.
awesome. Guys, this is the fluffiest,
Most.
most. What does this smell like? It has a scent. I don't think like you can. I got the Stitch out. What's the Stitch? Oh my gosh! Wait, what? This is here. A charming silver turtle. He just laying down the slime. And there's still more minions. Minions are Stitch butter. It just smells so good. Look at this. Now the Stitch is dead. You want to touch it, Jay?
I'm tasted for you when I'm.
Is that just you, or do you like making this and then do you like just rolling it back up?
I like to roll it and make it so.
What kind of slime do you think you have, JC?
Maybe a normal slime. I think I'm doing a normal slime because oh yeah.
One of the best butters we have, but not the best scented. I think the pineapple slime was the best scented slime from Glitter Slime. And this smells good. And there's the cute charm and the color. So this is definitely a 10. Like there's nothing. It doesn't stain the table. It's stretchy. Doesn't make bubbles though.
I got off my face and mine. You just
made a
taste my
bubble. Okay. I hate these chairs. It's 10 out of 10. It does like everything. It has bubbles. It makes, let's make, oh my gosh. It makes a good slime swirl too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here it is. I actually like these containers. They fit in perfectly. Well, our slime. I bet it's Is it sticky? It's sticky.
No.
It's not? Ooh, this smells like the banana split slime we got from Slime Tribe. I
Yeah.
think it needs smash. Show the minion charm. It's Ball. Tell them what its name is.
Ball. Ball.
Okay, there you go. Let's put the charm in. Here, I'll clean
No, I don't want to.
I'll clean off the charm.
Because
while
that's
you
make it
place
more hard. And so I'm gonna try to do this and make it a worm.
Swirl.
Oh, and a worm. I don't know why you got it.
This is a donut minion because there's a hole right there.
And his butt. Oh. We need to make this one now.
Out of 10. There were so many good ones. It was so hard for me. Okay,
Not hard
so
for
these
me.
are the ones that I picked. I picked the one from Squishy Bunny, the orange crush one that smells so good, and it has like all of my favorites together. And I really like this one. And like, Jason's favorite was this one, which before I liked it better than it was before than it is now, because that was just pitch black like this one. But it's a butter slime, and she likes butter slime, so. And as down below, which one underrated slime types do you want to do? A Squishy Bunny, or maybe more Squishy Bunny, or maybe more Slime Shady, maybe more Muggle Slimes.